Understanding, with love and care. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful phrase that you might come across in English conversations, letters, or even in books. The phrase is, with love and care. It's a simple yet powerful expression that can add a lot of warmth and sincerity to your communication. Let's explore what it truly means and how you can use it in your everyday English. With love and care is a phrase that combines two essential human emotions and actions, love and care. When we say something is done with love, it means it's done with deep affection and warmth. Adding and care implies that the action is also performed with attention, consideration, and kindness towards someone's well-being or towards something's maintenance. Together, the phrase suggests that an action is carried out with a heartfelt concern and meticulousness. Understanding how to use this phrase in real-life situations can help you communicate more effectively and warmly. Here are a few examples. When signing off a letter or an email to a friend or family member, I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. With love and care. Your name. Describing someone's actions towards another. She looked after her sick friend with love and care, making sure they were comfortable and had everything they needed. In instructions or advice, emphasizing the importance of gentleness and affection. Handle these fragile items with love and care to prevent any damage. Using the phrase, with love and care, in your communication can significantly impact the receiver. It not only conveys your feelings but also assures the recipient of your genuine intentions. In a world where digital communication often lacks personal touch, using such expressions can bridge the gap, making your messages feel more personal and heartfelt. We hope this exploration of the phrase, with love and care, helps you understand its depth and encourages you to use it in your communications. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, it's about the sincerity and the feelings behind them. With love and care, you can make your English conversations and writings more meaningful and touching. Thank you for watching, and take care.